Good day, everyone. Welcome back to this wonderful channel. Okay, so it's been a long time, about 5 days. It's not a long time. Anyways, today we have a special video. I'm gonna be showing you how to make designs online. By that I mean making designs for t-shirts, whatever apparel you wanna design for. You can just do that online in a website called Teesprings. So without wasting any time, let's just get onto it. The first thing you're gonna have to is the website you're gonna be doing our designs on. So yeah, what is it all about? You can see from here you're gonna be designing all those logos for all these items. Could be hoodies, pillows, whatever it is you want to design for, you can just get them there. So all these four that you see right here, I designed these ones. So it was, I think it's way back to like March or June, I don't know, but between those months I made these designs and I uploaded them to teesprings.com. The first thing you're gonna have to do as a new user, you're gonna have to come over here and say sell anything or start designing. Whichever way whatever you do is just gonna take you to the same process. Okay? So, but for me, I've done it before, so I'm just gonna log in. So right here I'm just gonna log in with my Google account. So if you are new, you need to click over sign up. Don't forget that, click over sign up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select, because I have like 4 accounts, so I'm gonna actually select this Blue City account. So in case you didn't know, Blue City is another channel that I've opened recently, and just wait until the end of the video and you're gonna see what it's all about. Okay, as you guys can see, I have made absolutely no profit or anything because I haven't been marketing all these products. I've just been doing designs, brushing up on my skills and all of that. But then as you can see, you can make money off of teesprings.com, and it's also in dollars. So I'm gonna just show you a listing and just a quick listing. So just let's start designing. Yeah, for some reason that took a long time. So you're gonna have to now select whichever product you want to do designs for. Okay, so what I usually like to do is I usually like to go for hoodies. Okay, so it will depend on whatever you want to design for. So I'm just gonna go for zip hoodies. Now, I believe this is the first I'm seeing of these type of hoodies. They just added these to their collection, I'm guessing, because I've never seen these before. So for now, what I would advise you to do is just pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, just do the same thing that I'm doing, and I'm gonna clarify some things there and there. Okay, now you're gonna upload here your design. Select your image. As you can see, you don't have any design. Okay, so where can you get a design for this? You need to go to canva.com. This is where you're gonna actually make all your design. As you can see, they say create a design, and you're gonna create this for absolutely free. So just not for the sake of like saving time, I already made a design here, so I'm just gonna download it. Make sure it's actually transparent background. So now you're gonna have to save it under a folder. Say AR. here you're gonna select whichever price you wanna put on your product that you just designed. So yeah, if you sell it for $45, you're gonna make $19.37 in profit. So I recommend leaving it at that price. For now, we're just gonna select continue. There's a lot of items we can continue. Name your design. We're gonna name it RV.
Perfect.
Then click publish. Now, if I remember correctly, when you are a new member of Teespring, what would happen is that when you make your first listing, what would pop up is they would ask you if you would let them advertise or market your product on other sites like eBay and Amazon. So that's your own choice. You can try to tell them, yeah, you can do that for them. Then they will charge you a small fee of about 7 rands or about 0.5 of a dollar. So it's just that. It's not that much of a big deal. So as you can see, now you have a design. It's ready to go. It's ready to be bought. Looks professional. So that's all you need. Okay, now you're done. So if you guys loved and enjoyed this video, I tried to make it as short as possible. Just be sure to click the like button and subscribe, and also check me out on my second channel. Yeah, as you can see right now, this is my second channel. And if you are a football lover, or a Manchester City fan, Man United fan, whatever fan you are, or for whatever club it is, just go to my channel, click subscribe, and it's gonna get lit. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.